Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Perry County in south-central Illinois, southwestern Jefferson County in south-central Illinois, north-central Jackson County, Illinois, northwestern Franklin County in south-central Illinois, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles east of Coulterville to near Pinckneyville to Ava, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waltonville, St. John's, Ava, Woodlawn, DuQuoin, Setzer, Pinckneyville, Tamaroa, Valier, Masson, Rand Lake area, Dowell, and Brigands. This includes Interstate 64 in Illinois near mile marker 72. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Franklin, Jackson and Perry,